rain gutters and fittings. It's widely used in lower-level villa, residence, school and hospital. ERA has a complete set of rain gutter accessories and drainage accessories. It has advantages like attractive appearance, light in weight, convenient in connection, which also make it more and more popular in the world. Different colors, different sizes, which can meet different market demands. We have the top production scale in China and can achieve 90% fully automated production. We have sufficient production capacity to complete large orders. Certification.